How to clear cache on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find this one here, clear cache, clear space, and just click on it. Now all you need to do is just select this one here, clear all, and now all you need to do is just click clear, and as you see the cache has been cleared. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.